Good evening, everyone. So we're going to be taking a look at the Ampere station. It was built in 1908 on 1.6 acres of land. This is how it looked back in the day. Here's how it looks now. At the border of East Orange, Bloomfield, and Newark, but technically within the city limits of East Orange. That's a westbound train heading towards Montclair on the weekend. So that's the site of the Ampere Library. Closed in 2018, but hopefully reopened right across the street from the old train station. That's the American Wear Factory. Some of the employees might be able to take that train both directions, but coming from surrounding areas, Newark, Bloomfield, maybe even as far as Hoboken, Montclair. Over there, that hill over there is used to be a drop-off station section for people to get dropped off. And we see it's not a super tall hill, so it's possible to construct ADA compliant ramp in this area. Take a quick walk, kind of up the former ramp. All right, yeah, with those steps, you get out to the old platform. Obviously, if the station existed and the gate was open and so on. All right, so that's the Manhattan-bound side, the eastbound side, going towards Manhattan and Hoboken. Back in the day, before the Kearny connection was opened, trains used to only go from Montclair to Hoboken. And then we had the Kearny connection open in 1996 that allowed trains to go to New York. And then in 2002, the Montclair connection opened up and allowed trains to go to points west. So essentially, about double the amount of service went through um, the old Montclair branch, because now you had all trains going towards Upper Montclair, Little Falls, Boonton, Mountain Lakes, etc., all the way out to Dover, Hackettstown, etc. So this is the westbound side. I believe this lot is owned by Jersey Transit. The Yes, that could be used to access the westbound side. Over there, that's Springdale Avenue and Ampere Parkway. Yeah, so we see, there's a few stores, but this could be a kind of a more thriving commercial area. So Centerway, it's back on the west side of the tracks. All right, we see again that the hill is not that steep. It's a little bit taller than the height of a person. All right, so this is a little bit further south. This is this is over by um, closer to Park Avenue. So yeah, there's a daycare over on the other side. So just imagine, somebody can, you know, drop their kids off at the daycare in the morning, grab the train, go to work in Hoboken, Jersey City, Manhattan, and then pick up their children from the daycare in the evening. So we see right now the only real option in this area are some buses. We got that 34 that's going towards Newark, even though the sign actually said East Orange, but you know that goes down Springdale. That's the number 41 down Park, and buses definitely have a role. They they definitely can help bring people to the rail, but for longer distance travel, you definitely need some uh, some rail. And since the train is there, all that's left is to build the station. So this is a little shot of the train at Park Avenue, at the Park Avenue overpass, heading towards Manhattan.